Hey space fans, welcome to the ultimate galactic real estate tour, where we explore the cosmos in search of a place to maybe, possibly not die instantly live. Just kidding. Mostly. Today we're ditching the moving boxes and interstellar U-Hauls because we're going virtual. From scorching hot hellscapes to icy wastelands, we're diving into the challenges, benefits, and just plain weirdness of making a home across the cosmos. First stop, Mercury. This small rocky planet is the closest one to the sun in our solar system. This tiny, sun-baked planet is the closest to our star, and it's constantly bombarded with intense solar radiation, and things get toasty here. The surface temperature can soar to unimaginable heights during the day. Mercury's tidally locked situation means one side always faces the sun, basking in perpetual daylight, reaching a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead, while the night side plummets to minus 330 degrees, colder than any place on Earth. Living on Mercury would be like constantly running between a pizza oven and a walk-in freezer. Imagine the extremes. You'd need a spacesuit that could handle both extremes, designed to protect against both searing heat and freezing cold, which is a tall order. Engineers would have to create something truly extraordinary. But hey, the sunrises are spectacular, with the sun appearing 3 times larger than what we see from Earth. Imagine watching a sunrise where the sun dominates the sky, a truly breathtaking sight. So, is Mercury the ideal vacation spot, with its extreme temperatures and harsh conditions? Probably not, but for the adventurous soul, it might just be the hottest and coldest ticket in the solar system. A place where you can experience the most extreme contrasts in temperature all in one day. Next stop, Venus! Often called Earth's twin, but trust me, you wouldn't want to be caught dead here. The atmosphere is about 90 times denser than Earth's, and mostly made up of carbon dioxide. Taking a deep breath on Venus would be like trying to suck air out of a car tire. And if the crushing pressure doesn't get you, the sulfuric acid rain probably will. The surface temperatures are a balmy 900 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt lead. But hey, Venus has some pretty spectacular volcanoes and incredible lightning storms. So if you're a fan of extreme heat, toxic rain, and volcanic eruptions, Venus might be the planet for you. Ah, Mars, the ultimate fixer-upper. A planet that has captured our imagination for centuries. Everyone seems to have plans to move to Mars. From scientists to billionaires, the red planet is the new frontier. But let's be real. Mars is basically a giant dusty desert with an atmosphere so thin it makes a sheet of paper look like a brick wall. The landscape is barren, and the dust storms can last for months. Mars has its charm with its rusty red surface and Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano in our solar system. Imagine standing at the base of this colossal mountain, looking up at a peak that towers 13 miles high. But living on Mars wouldn't be easy. The harsh conditions would test even the most adventurous souls. The atmosphere is about 95% carbon dioxide, and the average temperature is minus 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Not exactly a tropical paradise. Water on Mars is a hot topic, with some ice at the poles and maybe liquid water underground. Scientists are hopeful, but it's still a mystery, waiting to be fully uncovered. So, if you're thinking of moving to Mars, pack your thermal underwear, oxygen mask, and sense of adventure. You'll need all 3 to survive and thrive, because this red planet is not for the faint of heart. It's a place for pioneers, dreamers, and those ready to face the ultimate challenge. Buckle up because we're heading to Jupiter, the king of our solar system. This colossal planet is not just the largest in our solar system, but it also has a magnetic field that is 14 times stronger than Earth's. This massive gas giant is like the ultimate go big or go home planet. Its sheer size and presence dominate the night sky, making it a favorite target for astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. You could fit 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter, but you can't actually live on Jupiter. Its atmosphere is a turbulent mix of gases, and the pressure is so intense it would crush any spacecraft that tried to land. Jupiter. It's a gas giant with no solid surface, just a swirling, chaotic atmosphere made mostly of hydrogen and helium. These gases create stunning cloud formations and powerful storms that are mesmerizing to observe. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a storm so massive it's been raging for centuries, 3 times the size of Earth. This gigantic storm is a testament to the planet's extreme weather conditions. Floating cities in Jupiter's upper atmosphere? Cool idea. But the logistics are complicated, with winds reaching over 1,000 miles per hour. These high-speed winds would make it incredibly challenging to maintain any structure. So while Jupiter might be breathtaking from afar, it's best admired from a safe distance. Its beauty and mystery continue to captivate us, reminding us of the vast and dynamic universe we are a part of. Next up is Saturn. Those rings? Pure cosmic elegance. But like Jupiter, Saturn is a gas giant, so don't plan on pitching a tent on its surface. Imagine floating cities in Saturn's upper atmosphere, hovering above those stunning rings. However, living on Saturn wouldn't be all sunshine and planetary ring selfies. Wind speeds can reach up to 1,100 miles per hour. Saturn's moons, like Titan and Enceladus, are thought to potentially harbor life. So, while living on Saturn itself might be a no-go, maybe one of its moons could be the interplanetary haven we're searching for. The final stop, Uranus and Neptune, the icy twins of the outer solar system. Uranus rotates on its side, with an average temperature of -370 degrees Fahrenheit, and an atmosphere mostly methane. Neptune, the farthest planet from the Sun, is even colder with temperatures below -400 degrees Fahrenheit. Neptune also has the fastest wind speeds in the solar system, reaching 1,500 miles per hour. So while Uranus and Neptune might be beautiful from a distance, they're not exactly the kind of places you'd want to call home. Unless you're a fan of extreme cold, hurricane-force winds, and a distinct lack of sunshine. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of our cosmic neighborhood. We've seen scorching hot surfaces, crushing atmospheric pressure, and enough toxic rain to make even the bravest soul reconsider their life choices. From Venus's acid sauna to Neptune's freezing winds, living anywhere else in our solar system is a logistical nightmare. So, what's the takeaway? Earth, with all its flaws, is still the only place we know of that can support life as we know it. Thanks for watching, Space Explorers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which planet you'd be brave enough to try living on. Until next time, keep looking up.